Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and welcome to my docuseries Learning Acrylics. Today we are doing a fall marble manicure. Probably the last fall manicure I'll be doing this year. I filmed it a little bit early because I got a ton of videos coming in December. So make sure you have subscribed to my channel. That way you'll be able to get notified and come watch. Today we are working with 3 different colors. I already have an overlay on of clear. We're using coconut milk, teddy, and Abu. And we are going to marble them to the best of my ability. I did a couple others of the nails as you've seen. And they turned out alright. So we're gonna see how it goes. As long as I can manage to stay in frame. As long as I can, whoopsie, manage to stay in frame. I seem to always get the acrylic all over my thumbnail, my own. How and why, I don't know, but I do. Keep your brush as clean as you can. I think it looks really good. Really good. We'll let this just flow just a tad bit to smooth itself out. There is our first one on camera. And we have all the cameras, or the lights on, but just can't see too well still. I think it is really pretty. I'm loving doing a marble now that I'm getting more of a hang of it. I do. Oh goodness. Let me pause and I'll be right back. We are back. Sorry about that. Mother is calling. Or sorry, texting. So we're gonna go back in with our colors here. Gonna swirl them about. Keep them up on the nail. And your brush clean at all times. Don't want no acrylic buildup in the brush. None. Give us a little bit here on the nail. That's it. Make sure there's nothing on the underside of the nail. And there are PR items used in this video. I forgot to say that earlier. But there are. Trying to keep my brush clean. So we are going to let these nails cure, harden, set, and we shall return. Alrighty, we are back. Sorry about my interruptions, but when Mother calls, it takes priority. But we are back. We are ready to put our clear coat on. We'll buff and file afterwards. I'm not going to do all these on camera. Maybe not. I don't know. We're gonna put our clear on. Buff and file. I'll do that off camera as well too. It's too time consuming. Too time consuming. Whoops. Whoopsie. Gotta smooth this puppy out. I'm using, normally I don't know if it's the Beatles or Modelones brush I use, but today I'm using a Nails, I believe is how you pronounce it. I don't know what size this is. Oh, this is an 8, but this isn't an 8 US brush, I'll tell you that. So there's a huge difference. So I don't know what size this would be in US. I don't know. I don't know. So now remember, my SheModern Saturday series is going to be kind of on hold for maybe the whole month of December. It depends on how the event calendar and the 12-day of Christmas goes. So we shall see, we shall see, we shall see. Trying to make sure, oh, my light's not on. I forgot to turn her on. There we go. There we go. Hopefully now you can see better. Hopefully. Let this flow and travel down the nail as well as feather this backwards. There we go. Put the file on, I'll definitely do off camera, and then I'll be back to top coat after that. Always got a top coat on camera. I don't know if I'm adding any bling. I really like how this marble look took. I can't talk this morning. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Clean your brush, clean your brush. Yeah, this is way bigger than an American 8. Because I started out doing acrylics with an 8. This is way bigger. Way bigger. Let gravity float this on down the nail. We're going to go the monomer and just clean the heck out of our brush. There we go. There we go, there we go. With this bigger brush, I could definitely pick up a bigger bead, which I do like. I like that part. Figures if I can do the one ball method when I'm doing an overlay, that would be perfect. That would make my day. It really would. That would totally make my day, because I'm sometimes like, I know I do a 3. But for an overlay, I would really like to just do a 1, maybe a 2 at the most. That would be it. Okay, looking good, looking good. Plus it's quicker when using a 1 ball method. Definitely quicker. Definitely quicker. Sorry if I keep going out of frame. I try to sit so I can see what I'm doing, and sometimes it takes me out of frame. And I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. Ooh. Woo-wee. Whoops. Flopping things about. Brush was too wet. I think this one is done as well. So, you know what that means, don't you? It means I'm going to pause. I'm going to wait for them to finish curing. And then I will be filing. I'll be back when it's time to top coat. We're back. We have buffed and we have filed. We are ready to top coat these babies, and I have decided, through conversation with Noi, I'm not, got a bubble, I'm not going to put no gems on them today. I think these are going to turn out just beautiful once they're top coated. I'm kind of getting the hang of marbling. Oh, I'm running out of top coat here. Here we go. I had a lot of fun doing these. I think they turned out really pretty. Really pretty. So, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I would appreciate that. Give me a thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to my channel. Click all on the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos. And you're going to want to be notified because December has got a boatload. I think these turned out just beautiful. Look at the marbling in them. Don't you think those are really pretty? I do. This one here, the stands get wonky on me. The magnet's coming out. I tried pushing it back in and it doesn't want to go in. So I don't know. Whoops, shoot. Whoopsie. Go over this one again, so I touched it with my sleeve. So here we go, we're going to stick these in the lamp. Whoops. Whoopsie. We're going to give them a full 60-second cure and we'll be right back. Alright, we are back and fresh out of the oven, the lamp, whatever you want to call it. I call them both. I think these turned out really super nice. I'm very proud of myself for this. I'm really getting the hang of marbling, I think. Yes, leave me some thoughts down below, what you think, how I did, how it turned out. Can't wait to do one for Christmas. That excites me. So please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. click the bell, click all, so that way you'll be in on the scoop of everything. I got a lot of, I got the advent calendar from Charlie's. I got my 12 Days of Christmas coming with pumpkin. That'll probably start around the 14th of December, and some days from 14th on to the 24th, I'm going to have 2 videos a day because of the event calendar and the 12 Days of Christmas. Please, please, please show your support. Take a view of both of them if you can. I'd greatly appreciate it. Leave me a comment on the videos. Let me know what you think. Did I just knock my gems over? Put these babies away somewhere. Well, we're going to call this a day. Hope you've enjoyed everything, and we will see you next time. Have a blessed day, and thank you.